Hi, everybody. This is Brandy of Brandania. Thank you so much. So 1.4 subscribers namin. Wow! We are so happy dahil sinusuportahan niyo kami. So please continue supporting us. So anyway, I am here today to share something that I really love eating in the morning. This is my morning breakfast. And this is chicken sandwich. So first, gagawa muna ako ng chicken spread, of course. But I'll do it myself, or I'll make it myself. So, what I need is the mayonnaise. Yes, chicken, mayonnaise. And then I need pepper and salt. Okay, and of course, i-mix ko siya together with this chicken breast. Okay, this one, I got this from my aunt from the US. She gave it to me. Thank you so much. And this is chunk chicken breast. Okay, it's already cooked. And I'm just going to mix it all together. And then meron kaming pandesal, hot pandesal. Dito namin siya ipapalaman. Okay, so first, i-drink ko muna yung water nito. I will be back. See you later. Hello, I'm back with Moana. Natuklasan ko, hindi na pala kailangan i-drain. Ano na pala siya? Grated na pala yung nasa loob. Look, Moana, oh. Look, grated na pala yung chicken, no? So, ang gagawin natin, kukunin natin to, Moana. Get it? Look at this. Oh, Moana. Ang gagawin namin ni Moana is, imimix namin yung chicken. Imimix namin yung chicken. Lalagay ko yung chicken. Ganito na siya. Grated na siya. Sa salt and pepper. Okay. Imimix na namin siya with salt and pepper. Okay. Matching siya kasi maraming pepper to eh. Oo. Okay. This is it. Lalagay ko lang siya dito. So, ito, kinukuha ko na lahat yung nasa loob. Moana. Kasi ipapalaman natin siya sa tinapay. Wow, so delicious, my baby. Oh, simutin natin kasi mahal to. And masarap pa. You get it? Okay. And then, lagay muna natin siya dito. Kunin natin yung mayonnaise. Lagay natin yung mayonnaise dito. So, I hope okay, kasyang-kasya lang yung mayonnaise. So, imimix na natin siya together. Okay. Okay, yan. Wow! How does it smell, Moana? Does it smell good? So, I think kailangan ko pa ng salt. But I think, kung masyadong salty, di ba? Look, oh, Moana. Look. And we're going to put some into the bread. Another salt. Salt. Konting salt pa siya. Okay. So, ito, habang minimix natin siya, I think napakasarap nito. Special daw. Okay. So, konting salt pa. Sprinkle salt? What's this, baby? Salt. You say salt. Salt. Okay, that's enough. Wow, that's enough. Okay. Wow. So, tapos, ganito na yung gagawin natin. Moana, we'll get some bread. We'll get bread. Ito na tinapay natin. Bubuksan natin ngayon to. Okay, bubuksan natin. Tapos, kukuha tayo ng chicken sandwich. Chicken spread. So, chicken sandwich na siya. Wow! Look! I'm going to try it first, baby, ha? Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Ang sarap! Mata ko si Hershey kasi gusto niya kumain. Sarap, niya. That's yummy. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Of course, I'm Brandy and Moana of Branderia. So I hope nagustuhan nyo to. We're going to see you again in our next video. Okay, bye!